Hi friends, it's Chelsea from Hairdo Salon in Mesa, Arizona again. We have another video for you today. This is my friend Vera. What we're going to demonstrate on Vera's hair today, we're going to continue on with our easy hairstyles for life. School, swim, summer, anything. Today we're going to actually do a bun on top of Vera's head. We're going to be using skills that we've covered in the past when we did the half up little bun on the side up here. It's basically the same concept. So Vera's hair is rinsed and which makes it nice and easy to work with, but you can do this on dry hair as well. But once again, just don't forget you're going to want to utilize the water and the Freeze and Shine hairspray combined. So, oh, here you go, ma'am. There you go. All right, so we're going to start by using the wide tooth end of the comb, and we are going to comb all the hair up. Just going to bring it kind of all up to her upper crown of her head. There we go. And I just keep working with the wide tooth end of the comb, and I'm pretty much keeping my other hand stationary on her head as I'm pulling all the hair to it. And if you can see, I just open my hand and just grab more hair as I smooth out all the bumps. This one I'm going to change my hand positioning to kind of come from behind as I get all the bumps from the front. All right, now we're going to use our hairspray. All right, really saturating the front little hairline, the bottom hairline, working that in. Now I'm going to comb all the hairspray in. Just combing it all up, repositioning that hand a little bit, but I'm wanting to over direct, meaning go the complete opposite direction with this hair on the bottom half of her head. So that's why I'm making sure that I have my hand pretty much securely stationed at the upper crown so that I have a good start point for that bun. Now that I feel like I have the hair all good, I'm just going to comb these ends a little bit more smooth. Gonna comb them out. And I'm actually also going to hairspray them, shocker. Gonna hairspray all these ends. Let me see if you can twist and see. And then I'm gonna comb them smooth again. All right, now taking our rubber bands, I'm gonna use two. I'm gonna open these rubber bands up. Got them on my 3 fingers, and I'm going to come from the bottom. So I'm going to come and I'm going to put my hand at the bottom of the ponytail and hold the hair. So now I'm going to take the rubber band, I'm going to go over it once, I'm going to twist, I'm going to go back over it again twice, then I'm going to twist at the bottom and rotate again, and now on this third time I'm going to pull the hair but not all the way through. I'm going to stop about right there. So we have a little tiny nub. Is that looking cute? Yeah? All right, now with the tails are all the hair that's still left out. You can see we have all of them right here. I'm gonna comb these smooth so they all want to kind of stick together some. Let me turn her around so I can show you guys what it looks like on the back side. A little bit easier to see. So see how the rubber band is right here. I'm actually going to lift up this rubber band and I'm going to put my pointer finger and middle finger through it and hold it open right there away from her hair. Now I'm taking these tails. I like to twist them a little bit so it's a little bit easier to handle and hold on to. And I'm going to stick them in between my 2 fingers like that, and then see how the rubber band's right here. I'm just going to pull that through. So now we have the hair that's wrapped up and around the rubber band. Maybe you can see it. Oh, it'll be up right there. You can see. All right. Now this is the fun part. This is where we're going to kind of make it a little bit messy. So I'm going to pull these little ends and I'm going to pull them a little bit bigger. I'm going to pull that part bigger. And then we have a little itty bitty tail now. And all you have to do with this, I twist it and I just wrap it around the bottom of the base of the bun. So it's just gonna come right here, twist, twist, twist. We're gonna wrap it and bring it around. So cute. And then I just take another rubber band and I'll open it up. Oops, it was stuck. Okay, twist, 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 holding those ends. And I open it, I'm gonna go completely over the bun. I take over all the bun. I'm gonna pull this out to the side and I'm gonna do it one more time just so I know it's really nice and secure. And there we go. Super cute. Little easy top knot bun. Keep it out of their face, keep it out of their eyes. And that was just really quick and easy.